benzini usidle ngo10 usidle nge-tea time. Uyashisa ilanga ehlobo. Usidle ngo-tea time ngo 12:30 uye lunchini. Uthi uyasidla ngapha sesiyimuncu usidle ngapha. I-poverty ikhuluma nawe. Ikhuluma i-language that you understand. I-poverty ke leyo. I-poverty ke leyo. Engisho ukuthi ayinayo i-protocol, akufuneki uyibekezelele. Akufuneki uyibekezelele, ufuna uyiresiste. With all shapes and then lento ukuthi wena uzothi awufundanga mina njengoba ngakwazi ukuhlonisa udominant no-idiot ukuthi umuphi umehluko yonke into ngithi isidom. Lento ukuthi awufundanga uzothi mina akunawo standard 5, akunawo standard 6, akunawo standard 7. I'm making an example here. Then I can't even spell properly. My pronunciation is always wrong. My meaning of understanding things are my mathematics is poor. I can't count 1 + 1 is 11. I go 11. 1 + 1 is 2. sorry. Then you people don't follow the academic standard. Academically, I don't qualify this. No, don't say that. As long as you have a PhD, does go to the bathroom, do what you do, and you too, you go to the bathroom and do what he does, and thereafter it is fine. You'll fight off. You will fight off. And then this thing, it has to be rejected by you, not by me. I cannot be helping you when I have a mentality of losing the chains of poverty. Firstly, you have to be light. Mengikuphakamisa ngibodla umuntu ngiyamphakamise kodwa na ulight uyafuna ukuphuma la kuhluphekeni. Hayi abe stubborn athi kodwa ukuthi kuzokwenzeka nje. Ukuthi babudodela sengizamile mina. Yabona babudodela bengithi eqiniso kusibani ngakho ku150,000 eMozambique ngakho ku70,000. Yabona leswazeni khona baba beduma kakhulu eswazeni inhlangano engafika ngisho 30,000. Yabona nje sengiphundlekile nje. Nalama babudodela ngiphethe lo 3,000 nje sengiyasho nje. Ngithi mina lo muntu ufuna ukuphuma kuhluphekeni ngo3,000. Uyazazi ukuthi uthini. Udonsa itrack ngetheze. Poverty is a burden. This is Babu Dote.